So I make most of my money with affiliate marketing, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same using this very simple method, and then I'm going to walk with you step by step. So all you have to do is just copy exactly what I'm doing to achieve very good results. So let's get started. So the first thing you guys need to do is you need to pick a niche of certain products you want to promote. It's all about niches, okay? And so this niche could be just about anything. It could be headphones, it could be cell phones, it could be cameras, it could be laptops, tables, washing machines. Anything that catches your attention, catches your eye is going to be very good. So for instance, I have here a search called baby strollers comparison, okay? And the thing about picking this niche is that you not only have to pick this niche, you also have to find some kind of a website that shows you a comparison, okay? It's very important. I'm going to explain to you in a second why that is. So I'm not just typing baby strollers, I'm typing baby strollers comparison. And you know, baby strollers are in demand. This is a very good niche. And so if we type this, we have a lot of results. Now, if I type baby strollers, I'm going to have baby strollers, but I am looking for a comparison specifically. So I can type something like a comparison chart. I can do a comparison, but chart is probably a good idea. So if I type chart, let's open this first article here. Let's see what it looks like. I'm specifically looking, not even a list, I'm looking for a chart, right? So this is a good one here, right? There's all these charts. I found another one here. Take a look at this one. This is the best full-size baby strollers of 2021. This is a single stroller comparison chart. So all of these are going to be good. Now, the next thing you guys need to do is you need to download this Chrome plugin called Copy Tables. It's two words, Copy Tables. All you have to do is go into Chrome, or I'm using Microsoft Edge here. You just have to type Copy Tables, Chrome extension. That's it. And all you have to do is download this Chrome extension. Okay, just download it, install it. It's a very legit extension. I use it all the time. And we're going to go back to this table here. Now, once you have this extension installed, all you have to do is right-click anywhere in this table. So let's say I have this awards. I want to go to copy. And what I want to do is I want to copy either a CSV or CSV swap. In this case, we're going to do CSV swap. We're going to copy that. The next thing we need to do is we need to go to a very useful tool called Airtable. Airtable is an amazing tool. It's like a mix of Google Sheets and a database. It's something in between. It's very powerful. We're going to sign up for free. Once you've signed up for free, you're going to be on the screen right here. Now I have a workspace here. You're not going to have a workspace. I have a free plan. What we want to do is we want to add a base. We're going to click here and we're going to say import data. Actually, we're going to start from scratch. That is what we're going to do. And we're going to call this strollers. Okay, that's it. Now, what we want to do is we want to click here, add or import. We want to go in here. And what we want to do is we want to go to more and we want to say paste table data. We're going to do that and we're going to paste. And so once I import this data, I'm giving this table and it wants me to customize my fields. So as you can see, we have the name here, we have the type, we have the weight limit, price, and then buy now. This is perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it and I'm going to change this to name, single line text. I'm going to do that. This is going to be type. I'm going to do that. Single line text. This is going to be stroller weight. This is going to be limit. This is going to be the price. And this is going to be our CTA, call to action. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on import and it's gonna import our data. Now we can delete these columns, these rows here. We don't really need them. So I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna do that. And now we have our data here nicely populated. We have a lot of records, 96 records from the table imported here. And now we can go ahead and actually build a website. Very simple. The next thing we want to do is we want to go to this very nice tool called Pori.io. You can just Google for Pori app and you can click on the first result. You're going to do that. You're going to load this up and this allows you to build custom apps for your business without code. Okay, very cool. We're going to sign up or log in into our free account. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in here. All right, so I'm logged in into my account. It says, let's create your first app. We're going to click create. And when we are picking the kind of template we want, look how powerful these templates are. Let's say we want this template. This seems like it's going to be a good fit for what we're trying to do. We're going to click on view Airtable base. We are going to see what the base looks like. We are looking at it. What we're going to do is we're going to copy this base into our own account. We're going to copy into our first workspace here. We're going to do that. And now we're going to have this base here, this product catalog that we can use and modify in order to display our data here, right? So it tells you, here's our product catalog. We can just ignore that right now. And this is kind of what it looks like. Now, when you go back to this app here, when we click here and we say next, we're going to use this. I'm just going to say Stroller Reviews 2021. We're going to create this app here. This is kind of what we're seeing, and it's getting this data. It's a fully functional app. So we can actually view this app, and I'm just going to create Strollers 2021. We're going to create this domain here, and we can actually view it. And so we can view our brand new app, and we can actually click on the each individual product, and it's going to load the details for this app. And look how amazing it is. We are going to see that all of the data is right here. Now, all we need to do is we need to get the data from the strollers here, and that way it's going to show up where we want it to show up. And so all we have to do is we have to come here and say edit listings, click on that, go to Airtable setup and pick our database here, strollers. This is the strollers here, right? If we go back here, this is kind of what we see, strollers. And if we click on strollers, we have a table called strollers, and that is what we have to pick here, strollers, and then a table, only one table called strollers. We're going to hit save. And now it's asking us, it's going to ask us for the card view. This is kind of what we were seeing. The title is going to be the name field. The subtitle is going to be something else. We have a call to action URL. So if we go back here, we're going to set this as the URL here, right? So we actually don't really need this row here. We're going to delete this. And this is going to be our URL. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at this field here. This is select. We don't want this to be select. We're going to say this is going to be customized field type. We want it to be a URL. So we're going to say URL. And now we're going to convert it. And now we can just delete it. We can just set it up. And we're going to say, let's say this is all Google. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to save all of this here. I'm going to do a fill. And obviously this is going to be your affiliate link. Okay, we're going to do an affiliate link here. Okay, so this is all. And now we have it perfectly set up. We have the type. Actually, for the type, we can just customize it. We can make it a select because it's all, we can do a select, single select. That way you can just choose. We can convert everything. And that makes it easy because we can say, okay, this is not standard. This is something else. I don't have to type it in. It could be just a select. Weight is going to be actually, we're going to customize this field type and this is not a single select. This is going to be a number. We're going to do a number. We're going to convert. And this is also going to be a number. Customize field type. We're going to do a number here. And price is obviously going to be a number. Customize field type. We're going to say, and actually it's going to be currency. That's kind of what I like about using this tool. It allows you to actually specify exactly what's happening. We're going to convert. And now we have the price, URL, weight, price. You can't really do that as easily in Google Sheets. And this is obviously the name, type, weight, limit, price, perfect. And right here, as you can see, it actually has the type, the field type here. This is a number, this is select, this is just simple text, currency, and a URL here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go back here, Airtable setup. We're going to do refresh. We're going to get strollers. We're going to hit save. And it's going to get the new data updated, right? So now if we go to card view, it's all going to be set up nicely, okay? Now for the title, we want the name, right? This is the name right here. For the subtitle, we might want the type, right? We're going to do type. We're going to do save. And see, the type is updated here. Call to action is this call to action URL, CTA. We're going to click here and we're going to pick CTA. And it's going to set it up there. We don't really have tags. Yeah, I guess tags. We don't really have tags. And we don't really have images, okay? If we had the images, then you can pick it here. And that is how you can set it up. Now, you also have the card view, the detail view here that you can go in here. And you can say, well, the title is going to be name. Subtitle is going to be type. Right here, we have the name, the title, the subtitle, type, name. And then you have some body content, which you can actually pick using just your fields, right? So I'm going to remove these old fields here. I'm going to remove all of this. And I'm going to say I want name, type. I'm just going to have everything, limit, price, without CTA, right? And that way it's going to display all the details. How nice is this? YouTube URL. We don't have a YouTube URL. We don't have any videos. We don't have any galleries. We have a call to action. So we're going to do that, CTA right here. And then it says watch, and we're going to say buy. How awesome is that? Wait until you see this website live. It's going to look incredible. We don't have tags. Actually, tags could be name. We're going to do that for tags. And that's it. Let's do save. Let's go back and let's see what the app looks like. We can also customize appearance here. We can have one column. We can have two columns. We can go back to the card view and we can also customize. We can click on appearance. We can change the background, you know, red, make it whatever, blue, something like this, whatever you want. Detail view, card template. You can customize that as well. Okay, so you can have something like this, something like this. This is going to look great with images. If you're doing images, super easy to do. You're going to have a really nice card template. So we have this, and then we have the fields which we customize. And this is the body content. So we're going to have name, type, you know, you can have all the weight, price, you know, whatever you want, right? Show field labels, you can have that. So maybe something like this. Although I think this is probably a bit too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disable this. Actually, maybe just for the price. You know, it's really up to you. You can just click on that and you can disable it. All right, so let's say we're done. We're going to hit save. And what we're going to do is we're going to click back to the editor. And you can modify everything here. Look, the website is done. It's view more. And you have this product catalog. We're going to edit it. And what I want to do is I want to see if I can change a couple of things, right? We have a button integration. We have all of this. We're going to go into settings and see what we can modify. Search for an image. You can change all that. You can change content, body text. You can change everything here. So we're going to say stroller reviews 2021. And that is it. It's already updated. And now we have a website that's functioning. We also have, we can add a new page here if you want. We have page settings. We're going to say this homepage. We're going to call this homepage. You can create a new page. You can password protect it. You have SEO settings. All of this under the free plan. You can also edit your domain if you want. Here you have your free domain. You can do that. You can publish changes. And then once you're done, you can say view app. Now let's take a look at what we have, okay? So remember, all of this is customizable. And I picked this color here. It's probably not the best color. Obviously, you can change it. But if we click on it, look at this. We have a pop-up. And here we can have the image displaying. And here we have a couple of things. Designer, vendor, you can remove all that. And if we click buy, it redirects to Google, which is going to be our affiliate link. How amazing is this? And remember, guys, you can modify this. You can make this to be anything that you want. This is how I make a lot of my income, by having sites such as this. And this makes it so much easier, a lot easier than when I had to create my own sites back in the day, or even now. There's a very complicated way with WordPress, with all of these things, where you can just go to this tool and create a website in like 5 minutes flat using available data on the internet. All right, guys, so that is the method I wanted to share with you guys today. You can use this for any niche out there. You can do anything that you want with this method. Really hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or concerns. I answer every single comment that I get. If you want to say thanks, that would be highly appreciated. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.